Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make creamy milk. First, select the right type of milk for the best results. Whole milk provides the most natural creaminess. Next, prepare your heating vessel, whether it's a small saucepan on the stove or a microwave-safe mug. Always start with fresh, cold milk to ensure a smooth and consistent texture as you begin the process. Gently heat your milk, aiming for a temperature around 150 degrees Fahrenheit. Avoid boiling, as this can alter the milk's taste and texture. Once warm, it's time to introduce air. Use a small whisk, a handheld frother, or even a French press. Move your tool in small, consistent circles just below the surface to create a velvety foam. After frothing, gently tap your container on a counter a few times. This helps to pop any large, undesirable air bubbles, leaving you with a smoother, more uniform foam. Next, give the milk a gentle swirl. This action helps to integrate the frothed milk with the liquid below, creating that luxurious, creamy texture you desire. Pour it right away for optimal enjoyment. Don't be afraid to experiment with various milk types, like oat or almond, to discover your preferred level of creaminess. Remember to clean your frothing tools immediately after each use to maintain hygiene and ensure their longevity. For a perfect finish, pour your creamy milk slowly into your beverage. And speaking of great things, check the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other fantastic deals. Enjoy your perfectly creamy creation.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.